Hi guys, do you want to make money on YouTube but you're not sure what niche you want to do? Well, in this video, it's going to be a short video, but I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that someone else has found out, yeah? Not me, but I think it's a very cool idea, yeah? And if you're into gaming, it's a bonus, guys. Now, watch this video, right, and let me explain, like, how, just watch, guys. This is the easiest, yeah? So let's jump into it. Now, the channel is called GT Fast, yeah, whatever I would pronounce it, yeah. He's got 1.5 million subscribers. Now, look, right, his videos are just car racing games. He doesn't show his face, he just shows a picture of his setup or a steering wheel. You can get them off anywhere, yeah. And then all he does, he doesn't talk in his videos. Yeah, each video is about 10 minutes, yeah, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, yeah. And all he does, he'll start the video, he'll basically do like a 360 view of the car so you can see all around the car, yeah. And then he'll have a different car in each video. Like I said, they're all for about 10 to 12 minutes each. And he, like I said, he chooses a different car. Then all he does, guys, he drives around, right? Does the lap, and that's it, guys. That is it. He doesn't speak, doesn't show his face. He doesn't even create a thumbnail. These are what you can just choose when you're uploading the video. So he doesn't do no editing, yeah. He doesn't do no editing, no creating thumbnails, doesn't show his face, doesn't talk, yeah. And all he's doing is playing a game that he probably loves. And that's how simple it is, guys. Now, if we go to his social blade, let's get back over. If we go to his social blade, look, see, yeah, that's his channel, yeah. He's on between 1.2 thousand to 19.6 thousand pound a month, yeah. Now, even if he's on half of that, that's like nearly 10 grand, yeah. I'll be happy with that extra a month just for playing a computer game. That he could get up to that a year. If we scroll down to near the bottom, it shows what he's on, like a daily average, and anything between £41 to 652. That is awesome. If he only gets half of what that, he's earning more than what I'm earning. And this a week, if he gets that, guys, that is how easy it is. Now, I'm sure this is going to be a short video, but think about the possibilities. Now, if you like playing computer games, I was speaking to my son earlier, and I said, if you like Grand Theft Auto, you could just start the video where you stood next to a new car, yeah. Do like a 360 showing it, drive around for 10 minutes, stop the video, and there you go. You've got the same kind of video, but you're not copying him exactly, yeah, because he's playing in like Forza or something like that. And if you don't want to do that, what about FIFA? Start the recording when you first start a match, and then at the end of the match, stop the recording and do that for the full season. You'll have what 38 videos if it's the Premiership, and then people love FIFA. They'll be watching your videos for each game. You could do it with any game. You could do it with like Mortal Kombat or Injustice 2. You could have a fight. So every battle you have, record that battle, then upload the video. Don't make any. You don't have to speak. You don't have to show your face. That's how simple it is, guys. People love gaming. People love these kind of videos. So think about it. If you want to make money online and you like playing computer games, this is the one for you guys. Without showing your face, without speaking, without making thumbnails, and without doing any video editing. You can't get any easier than that. And even if it takes a while, all you have to do is be persistent. Yeah, keep doing it, and before you know it, you'll be earning money for playing a game. So that's it, guys. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad. This is Building My Empire, trying to help you to build your empire. Until next time, guys, Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.